Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. So in this video, I'll show you what is the difference between a client company and a payroll company. Okay, so the difference is between a client company and a payroll company. So first, let's start with payroll company. Okay, payroll company means okay, which will give you the salary. Payroll company generally will offer you the position and it will also give you the salary. Okay, say for example some xyz consultancy is there. Okay, so your interview with xyz consultancy will be scheduled, and from xyz consultancy people are going to take the interviews, first round, second round, third round. Okay, then once they are satisfied, this xyz consultancy is satisfied, then they are going to offer you the position, right? So and so position, like whatever it is, depends upon your technology, they are going to offer you the position. So they are going to release the offer letter. Payroll company is going to release the offer letter. Okay, they are going to release the offer letter. So whatever things they mentioned in the offer letter, like package, like benefits, terms and conditions, everything. So you are bound to work with this payroll company. So sometimes you have to work on their company projects, sometimes you have to work for their clients. Means xyz consultancy will provide support to different clients. So for example, XYZ consultancy is providing support to Infosys company. Okay, it is providing support to Infosys company. So XYZ will release an offer for you. Okay, they are going to recruit you on the name of XYZ company, means you are XYZ company employee. So you might work with XYZ projects, or XYZ will have some clients like Infosys, TCS, Accenture, like bigger, small clients will be there. So you will be deployed at the client location or client company. Okay, so for XYZ consultancy, Infosys is the client. Means, for example, Suresh is an employee, will be recruited in the XYZ consultancy on the payroll of XYZ consultancy. Means XYZ consultancy will pay salary to Suresh. This Suresh has to work with XYZ consultancy projects, or this Suresh has to work with the XYZ consultancy clients. In that client, Infosys might be one client, or else some other client might be one, some other company might be one client. Means this Infosys company doesn't maintain any information. You are a contract employee. Suresh is a contract employee for Infosys. Suresh is a contract employee for Suresh. I mean, like for Infosys. So this Infosys company doesn't maintain any details, any information about Suresh. Okay. So who is going to maintain details about the Suresh? XYZ. Why? Because Suresh is the employee of XYZ and he just deployed at the client office like Infosys, TCS, whatever it is. Right? So Suresh, Infosys will pay money to XYZ consultancy, then XYZ will pay salary to Suresh. So you're a contract employee for Infosys and you're a permanent employee of XYZ. So in this case, XYZ consultancy is the payroll company for Suresh. And whereas XYZ, like this Infosys company is a client. Okay. Infosys company is a client for Suresh. So in case of any background verification, generally, they don't touch the clients, guys. If Suresh is moving the office, he is just moving from one organization to another organization. He just cleared the interviews. Then he will undergo for a background verification. then that background verification company, they don't go for Infosys. They don't contact Infosys regarding this Suresh. They will die. Why? Because the offer letter and all will be there on the name of XYZ consultancy. So that BGV company will directly go to XYZ consultancy. This Suresh is your employee or not, whether he worked with you or not. In case if he worked, how many years he worked with you, what is his designation, what is his package, what is his behavior, what is his candidature, everything. That those kind of details, okay, will be asked to XYZ consultancy. They don't touch the Infosys company. Why? Because Infosys is a client, so Infosys doesn't have any information related to Suresh, guys. So this is the major difference between a payroll company and client company. Payroll company will contain all your information. Payroll company is going to pay the salary. Payroll company is going to release the offer. Payroll all supported documents that you have an experienced guy. So all the supported documents you will get it from the XYZ consultancy. You don't even get a single paper from Infosys company that you worked with Infosys like 2 years or 3 years. You don't even get a single paper from Infosys company, guys. Okay, so this is the major differences between your client company and payroll company, guys. Okay, so like these kind of videos, I'll do a lot of other videos also, guys, related to the HR questions, HR doubts, right? So, and other than this, how to prepare for the interviews, like what are the tips, tricks related to the openings, how to search for the jobs. All these things we are going to discuss in other videos. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.